sides already, but if you see something I didn't, let me know. I'll go get it. I'm gonna let you guys look at the menu, choose 2 meats for each grill, but in the meantime, do you know what you want to drink? We do have Kpot products. If you're looking for a bar menus, at the very bottom of that same QR code.
Look at the good food they bring up for us, honey.
It's like some kind of cabbage.
We got gnocchi salad, got noodles, gnocchi, a hot sauce. We got the hot sauce and the noodle, very good noodle.
It was burned.
Good burn, boy. You got onions back there, Jimmy? What the boy name say? What he say his name was? Hey, little boy, how'd you know I was gonna cook this for us? Huh? That's salad, baby.
What's the dressing on it though? I don't know. That shit good.
Asian. That be Asian. Okay, honey. What the hell? Oh wait, hold on now. I need a coaching a little bit.
Oh, you got it.
You want your you want the body on?
Huh?
You want the body on?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my God.
That's the prawn.
The prawn. Little brother, he think he doing something.
What meat you get next? You still got steak and shrimp.
I know shit.
You over there slow rolling.
Right.
Yeah, we merchant.
That's richer than what I'm eating. I don't know. That's rich.